Hi everyone. In the last video, we had functionality for food in our program. So this is our program and this is food and this is our snake. And in this video, we are going to add functionality to increase the snake size so that as snake eats that food, the size of snake will increase with every collision with food. So let's start coding. In our main.py, create one function, give it name as add segment, and we are creating new segment. So instead of creating another new segment, just take this code from create snake and paste it here and give one parameter also, let's say position, and call our add segment in create snake like self dot add segment and pass the position. Now we want to add our new segment at the last of our snake. So to add it, create new function, give it name as define extend, get self, and use self dot add segment to the last position of our segments list. So -1 dot our positions. Now in main.py, just add our extend function here like snake.extend and let's run it. Yeah, it is working. If you see, the size of snake is increasing. So that's it from today's video. In the next video, we are going to add functionality for scoreboard. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.